Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering with Pritam. In this particular video, we will talk about how you can create counterbore and countersunk hole. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now here you can see, in our last video we saw how we can create standard hole. This one we will see how we're going to create counterbore. The first step here is to select the surface where we want this hole to be placed. Now again we will choose a reference collector. I again choose this option which is offset reference collector because this one is very easy. Instead of picking these reference collectors and then attaching to references, I found this method easier. Now let's go back here and then let's select drilled hole, and then here we can see we have got these both option, counterbore and countersink. And there we go. Here we can see preview of counterbore. Now let's click on shape, and here you can define the shape of this counterbore. So generally counterbores are through all. Now let me actually make it 13.5, and the reason why it shows right, because it is not practically feasible. Here we need to make it lower than the counterbore head width. So now let's make it 13.5. And this I am doing such that I can insert an Allen bolt of size M8 with hex type style. Now generally the head size of M8 is also 8 mm, and just to flush it inside, here I have kept the value as 8.5. Not only you can create and preview this shape, but you can also add this small countersink, which is really awesome, guys. Let me make this value as 9, which gonna give 0.5 mm of chamfer toward exit, which is really nice to have. Now let's click OK. So in this way, guys, we can create counterbore inside PTZ Creo Parametric. Now let's see how we can create countersunk hole. Again, let's click on drilled. Now instead of counterbore, I'm gonna select countersink, and then let's add it to this plane. This time I'm gonna use these drag handles. And now let's go back here in shape and let's define the size. So again, let's say I would like to insert M8 style bolt here. Now instead of 13.5, I need to make it 15. So how I am keeping these values, I would say you need to either check the standard or you can Google it. For example, here we can see this table shows how much the value of each feature will be, or else you can check the bolt that you're going to use. And not only you can make it through all, but you also have all sorts of options that we generally see typically available inside lot of other features inside PTZ Creo Parametric. Now we have got this hole ready. Again, I'm going to add a small exit countersink that's going to give us this beautiful chamfer in the end. Now let's click OK. So in this way, guys, we can create countersink hole inside PTZ Creo Parametric. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to follow more such video and to follow entire PTZ Creo Parametric series. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.